Okay, guys, hi. So hope all are doing great, and guess what? We are going to start with the Super 20 IBPS clerical test series, which is going to happen for the next 20 days up till your exam. So every day, stay tuned at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and at the night 9 o'clock. Okay, what's the reason? At 9 we will be releasing the quants section, at 11 we'll be releasing the logical section, and in the night 9 o'clock we'll be releasing the entire mock of that particular video. Okay, so in this way you will get a complete preparation of your IBPS clerical test papers, actual type of test papers, so you can expect similar type of questions which are going to come in the exams. 100% you can crack the exam with this test series. Make the best use of it and hope it benefits out to people. In case if you're coming for the first time to the channel, please do like, share and subscribe, so that motivation helps us to create much more videos which will ensure that you crack the exam easily. Thank you very much. Bye.